Welcome back to Holiday Hustle and day 9. We have 5 minutes today that start on our back. In 3, 2, 1. Lay down, extend your arms and legs all the way out. We're going to start with the hover, so scoop the low belly in, start to hover your arms and your legs. Pick up your head for 4. Squeeze your inner thighs together. 3. Can you pick up your shoulder blades? 2. Exhale, lower down. Now plant your feet. We'll get back to that. Good. Left foot is planted, right leg is long. Put your right hand next to your right leg. Sit all the way up, left hand to right foot. 2, 3. Going to 10 for a single leg V up. 5, 6, 7, 8, big push. 9, last rep. 10, good. Lay flat. Now again, arms over your head, legs long. We hover in 3, 2, 1. Pick up your arms and head, lift those legs, squeeze, and you'll get the shakes right away. Keep those arms long. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your right knee, plant your foot. Now keep your left leg long. Reach your right arm overhead in 3, 2, 1. We come up. We lower down. Good. 2, 3. This left hand likes to pop up. You'll see that mine pops up. Really try to push it down, okay? Give me 5, 4. My abs are sore today. 3. Last 2. One more rep. 1. Good. Lay down onto your back. All right. Bend your knees, plant your feet. You're going to pull your low belly in and down. Watch my belly move. It's going to come down. It's called a spinal imprint. Pull it down. So teach yourself how to draw down. Pull down. Good. Accentuate the movement just a little bit more. Try to pull down. Teach you how to pull in and down. Teach you how to utilize your core differently, okay? Give me 5, 4. Keep that spinal imprint in 3, 2, 1. Spinal imprint tight, knees at neutral. All right, arms in the air. One arm overhead, one leg long. Bring it back. Dead bug. Bring it back. Now pull the belly in and down. Keep working. As you extend your arm overhead and push long, drive that knee right back to neutral. Good. Now 2 times on one side. Bring it out, and then switch. 2 times, bring it out, bring it out. One more time on the first side, 2 times, out. Spinal imprint, pull it down, out. Last 2, other side, reach. And, oh, I switched legs, reach. Good. Now back to those single leg V-ups. Extend left leg out, right leg out. Bend your left knee, plant your foot. Put your left hand into the air. Put your right hand next to you. Come up. 10, 9, 8, all the way up. 7, 6. Don't worry, we'll get in this side and the other side. In 4, 3, come on, sit up with me. That's important. 2, and 1. Woo! Other leg, left leg out. Bend your right knee, plant your foot. Lay your left hand next to you. Right arm overhead. Ready, set. 10, 9. Come on. 8. How's that hamstring? Do you feel that work as you come up? Answer should be yes. 6, 5, 4, come on. We need 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Exhale, push your legs into the air. Reach up, pulse, 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 pulse. Good, 25 seconds. If your neck starts to hurt, you can put one hand behind your head to help finish out these pulses. We're going straight through the finish line, guys. 15 seconds, that's it. And you're done for today. Pulse, pulse. You should have a good burn going on. Come on. In 5, let's go. 4, 3, that's it. In 2, woo, 1. Hug your knees to your tummy. Way to go. A lot of work today on your back. Nice little burn. Nice job, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow for your next day of holiday hustle.